For coming back for another video and checking this one out. So today's video is just going to be about the rear parking sensors on a S-Class W220, and I'm going to show you how to take this strip off here that we're looking at and you know, fix, adjust, or whatever you have to do to your sensors, because mine were actually, the one here at the back right here wasn't seated correctly. So I had to take this off and get it because the system was beeping every time I would put it in reverse and all that, because it wasn't in the correct spot.
The rear bumper strip is removed with a plastic wedge.
That's with the brand new Mercedes at that time, so the plastic was really strong. So now we're working with 20 to 18-year-old plastic strip that's right here. So the main thing you need to be careful of is take your time, don't yank too hard, because what you'll end up doing is taking the tab lip that's on the top, right about there, that will break off and then it won't go back in and stay anymore. So just be careful about that. All right, so once you pretty much got it out, they'll all follow suit with you, so that way you can remove them. And then also take off here in the back, take off your parking sensors along with that. So just keep pulling, but gently. Once you get those out, you'll see that you have each one of your sensors location. These things are actually huge compared to, you know, 2021s. But just look at your strip here. That's where those go. See how the clip right there is actually pretty good. And then let me see with mine. See, that one's actually pretty good. Both clips right here. And then you get to the last one all the way down here and see right where the clear part is, where mine's just broken at. So it's not allowing it to stay in there. So I'm gonna try to melt that down to fix that. All right, and just to kind of show you guys up close, see how the tab up here goes in, and then you put it in the bracket. You can much just do that to all of them. The four that are in the back here. Of course, you can see what mine. All right, so just make sure to push your wires back into the holes right there when you're putting in the sensors. Make sure your tabs are all in place, and then just gently push them back in. It's going to take about a second to do all of this, and things will be back to normal.